Holy smokes, Batman! Amazon had an event today where they announced a bunch of new Alexa products, Ring products, and more. You better watch out, Google Home, HomeKit. They are coming for you, and they have some great stuff. Let's go. Let's start with the brand new Echo. Comes in 3 colors and now has the Zigbee Smart Home Hub and a Sidewalk Bridge, both of which make it much easier to connect smart home devices. It's got the brand new AZ1 Neural Edge Silicon processor, which will make speech processing up to 2 times faster. This means our voice commands are going to be so much smoother and faster, and I can't wait to test this out and even do like a side-by-side with some of the older Echoes. The Echo also comes in the clock version as well as these really cute kids editions. I'm obsessed. Amazon is also releasing a feature that allows to profile and recognize children's voices, so no matter which room they're in, it will give them kid-friendly responses, play games, and fun songs. They are also introducing the ability to program new phrases verbally. So if I said, set my home to vacation mode, and if she doesn't know that phrase, she'll say, what do you mean? And I can say, turn the AC to 60 degrees. So that way in the future, when I say that phrase, she'll know what to do. Next, there's natural turn taking. It will now allow you to take your time and have a more natural conversation and include others. They showed a demo of Alexa joining a conversation with 2 people. They were ordering pizza and they were able to change their minds and could follow along. It'll be really interesting to try this out at the smart home with Toby because he always says that I talk a lot and it takes me a while to come up with a decision, and yeah, we'll see how Alexa can handle that. And then there's Alexa Guard Plus. This service will recognize footfalls, doors opening and closing, and it will deter intruders with dog barks. And next, we've got a new line of the Eero Wi-Fi routers, Eero 6 and Eero Pro 6. Yep, that 6 stands for Wi-Fi 6, which is a technology that is 250% faster. But of course, you'll need to have the internet to support that. Now let's move on to Ring, where they've got a ton of announcements. Later this year, Ring is introducing the ability to turn on end-to-end encryption right from the app. They're also bringing 3 new car security systems. There's the Ring Car Alarm, which plugs into your car and will monitor for towing or break-ins and send you a notification if it detects anything. Next, there's the Ring Car Cam. The camera is always on and connected to the internet via LTE. It will monitor and set off the siren to scare off intruders, as well as send you a notification on the app so you can watch it in real time. It's also got emergency crash assist, so if you're in a serious accident, it will automatically dispatch responders to the scene. In addition to this, you have what they call traffic stop. So if you tell Alexa I'm being pulled over, it will automatically start recording the scene and send any alerts to family members. I think a feature like this is more relevant than ever, especially at a time when we have routine traffic stops end in sometimes deadly scenes, and I really hope that tech will help make this a better situation and perhaps catch things that otherwise wouldn't have been caught. Okay, now for the most amazing announcement. If you're afraid of Big Brother, then maybe this isn't for you, but this is the Ring Always Home Cam. It is a security drone. You kidding me? It's a small, lightweight, and autonomous drone that will automatically fly to areas of your home where motion is detected. It's built to be loud, so you know when you're being filmed. I am so intrigued by this thing. I can't wait to lay traps around my house and watch it go find them. This leads me to my next favorite announcement, and that is the new Echo Show 10. Its AZ1 neural processor allows it to find people in the room by tracking their bodies. It doesn't use facial recognition. The motor can't be heard by the human ear. You can also use it remotely to monitor your home. The screen has increased brightness, more vivid colors, and a 13 megapixel camera with digital pan and zoom. They've also added Zoom support, group calling, and Netflix. I've always thought that the current Echo Shows are a little slow, so I definitely want to do a side-by-side test on that as well. Next, Amazon is releasing an all-new personalized and clean Fire TV user interface, along with 2 new Fire TVs. There's the Fire TV Stick, which is 50% more powerful, and the Fire TV Stick Lite, which has a more simplified remote and has the most processing power for a streaming device under $30. And for the last announcement, that is Luma. It's a game streaming service that offers a ton of games. They've even partnered up with Ubisoft to release games like Assassin's Creed Valhalla on launch day. The controller has what they call Cloud Direct technology, which is faster than Bluetooth and reduces latency by 20 milliseconds. The technology connects the controller to the cloud and makes it easier to hop between supported platforms without the need to connect the controller to each new device. I've thrown a link to the early release signups in the description below, along with product links for all these devices. A lot of them are available for pre-order now, and I am so freaking pumped to try these things out and create videos and share them with you. Let me know if you have any questions about the things I talked about today. I'll try and answer them down below. And as always, why don't you subscribe to this channel, click that bell for alerts, that way you know when these videos drop. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. I'm Justin, and I'll tech you later.